Hey everyone, today we're checking out the best 4K laser ultra short throw projectors of 2025. If you're looking to turn any wall into a massive crystal clear screen without the hassle of a long throw setup, you're in the right place. These ultra short throw projectors pack stunning visuals and incredible performance for any home theater. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tech guides and reviews. Let's dive in. Number 6. Hisense 100L9G Laser TV. This triple laser ultra short throw projector truly redefines what it means to enjoy cinematic quality right in the comfort of your living room. After extensive testing and comparison with several other models, it's clear that the 100L9G stands out for its incredible performance, vibrant colors, and impressive ease of use. One of the most striking features of the 100L9G is its trichroma laser technology, which delivers a wider color gamut and more accurate colors than traditional projectors. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or your favorite nature documentary, the visuals are breathtakingly lifelike. The 4K resolution ensures that every detail pops, making it an excellent choice for both casual viewers and serious cinephiles. Installation is a breeze thanks to its ultra-short throw capability, allowing you to project a massive 100-inch image from just a few inches away from the wall. This makes it ideal for smaller spaces where traditional projectors would struggle. Plus, the built-in Android TV provides easy access to all your favorite streaming services without the need for additional devices. The sound quality is equally impressive, with built-in speakers that deliver a rich audio experience, eliminating the need for external sound systems in casual setups. However, for those who crave a more immersive experience, the option to connect to external audio systems is straightforward and seamless. Number 5. Samsung 120. The premier ultra short throw 4K UHD smart single laser projector is a game changer in the world of home entertainment. After extensive testing, it's clear that this projector combines exceptional performance with remarkable convenience, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their viewing experience. One of the standout features of the Premier is its ultra-short throw capability, allowing you to project a stunning 120-inch image from just a few inches away from the wall. This means you can enjoy a massive screen without the need for a dedicated room or sprawling space. The 4K UHD resolution delivers crisp, vibrant images that bring movies, sports, and gaming to life in stunning detail. Setting up the projector is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and smart features. The built-in Tizen operating system lets you access popular streaming services directly, eliminating the need for additional devices. The projector also supports HDR10+ for enhanced color and contrast, ensuring that every scene looks its best, regardless of lighting conditions. In terms of audio, the Premier does not disappoint. With integrated 2.2-channel speakers that produce rich, immersive sound, you won't need to rush out to buy a separate sound system. However, if you're an audiophile, you can easily connect external speakers for an even more tailored audio experience. The design of the Premier is sleek and modern, making it an attractive addition to any home theater setup. Number 4. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800 4K PRO-UHD Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector stands out as a stellar option for those seeking an immersive viewing experience without the need for a large, dedicated space. After extensive testing and thorough evaluation, it's clear that this projector is a game changer for movie buffs, gamers, and sports enthusiasts alike. First and foremost, the 4K PRO-UHD resolution delivers stunning clarity and detail, bringing every scene to life with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The 3-chip 3LCD technology ensures that colors are accurate and bright, even in well-lit rooms. Whether you're watching a blockbuster film or broadcasting a live sports event, the visual fidelity of the LS800 is simply exceptional. One of the most significant advantages of the LS800 is its ultra-short throw design. This means you can project a massive cinematic image from just a few inches away from the wall. For those with limited space, this feature eliminates the need for complex setup or large, cumbersome screens, making installation a breeze. Simply place the projector on a shelf or table and you'll have a stunning display in no time. The smart streaming capabilities of the LS800 are another highlight. With built-in access to popular streaming services, you can watch your favorite shows and movies without the need for an external device. Number 3, JVC D-ILA NZ8 D-ILA is a standout choice. After extensive testing and evaluation, it's clear that this projector is designed to impress even the most discerning cinephiles. One of the key highlights of the D-ILA NZ8 is its remarkable 4K resolution, which brings movies and shows to life with incredible detail and clarity. The D-ILA technology enhances color accuracy, producing vibrant hues and deep blacks that make for a captivating viewing experience. Whether you're watching an action-packed blockbuster or a serene nature documentary, the visuals are nothing short of breathtaking. The projector also features advanced HDR capabilities, allowing it to handle a wide dynamic range. This means that you can enjoy brighter highlights and more nuanced shadows, making every scene more lifelike. During our tests, we were particularly impressed with how well the D-ILA NZ8 managed contrasting scenes without losing detail, something that's often a challenge for lesser projectors. Setup is a breeze thanks to the motorized lens with a wide range of zoom and lens shift options, providing flexibility in placement without compromising image quality. The projector's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate settings, ensuring you can optimize your viewing experience to your liking. Another noteworthy aspect is the D-ILA NZ8's low noise operation.
Even during intense viewing sessions, the projector remains whisper quiet, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your entertainment.
Number 2, Epson Pro Cinema LS12000 4K PRO-UHD laser projector stands out as a remarkable choice. After extensive testing and evaluation, this projector has proven to deliver stunning image quality and exceptional performance that rivals many high-end models. One of the key features that makes the LS12000 shine is its impressive 4K Pro-UHD technology. The projector employs advanced pixel shifting technology, which allows for true 4K resolution with incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or enjoying a nature documentary, the vibrant colors and sharp images will immerse you in the content like never before. The LS12000's laser light source is another standout feature. It offers a long lifespan and consistent brightness, making it ideal for various viewing environments. The 2700 lumens of brightness ensures that you can enjoy a spectacular picture even in moderately lit rooms, without the need to darken your space completely. Additionally, the high contrast ratio enhances the depth of blacks and the richness of colors, creating a dynamic viewing experience. Installation is a breeze with the Epson Pro Cinema LS12000, thanks to its comprehensive lens shift and zoom capabilities. This means you can easily adjust the image to fit your screen without compromising on quality. The motorized lens cover is a thoughtful addition that protects the lens when not in use, ensuring longevity and performance over time. Another feature worth mentioning is the extensive connectivity options, with multiple HDMI inputs. Number 1, Optoma CinemaX P2 Smart 4K UHD laser projector is a game-changer for home theater enthusiasts looking to elevate their viewing experience without the hassle of traditional projector setups. After extensive testing and evaluation, it's clear that this projector not only meets but exceeds expectations in several key areas. First and foremost, the image quality is outstanding. With a native 4K UHD resolution and HDR10 support, the CinemaX P2 delivers vibrant colors and striking detail, making every movie night feel like a trip to the cinema. The bright 3000 lumen output ensures that you can enjoy crystal clear images even in moderately lit rooms, which is a significant advantage over many other projectors that struggle in ambient light. One of the standout features of the CinemaX P2 is its ultra-short throw design, allowing it to project a stunning 120-inch image from just inches away from the wall. This means you can enjoy a massive screen size without needing a large room or complicated installation. Setup is a breeze, thanks to the built-in keystone correction and focus adjustments, making it accessible for even the most tech-challenged users. The projector also comes equipped with smart features that enhance usability. The integrated Android TV platform provides access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube directly from the projector, eliminating the need for external devices. The included remote is intuitive, and voice control compatibility with Google Assistant adds a modern touch to the user experience.